Flowers need to drink water. Woo! Yay!
Timi!
Wow!
Let's save water. Oh, splash, splash, don't waste it. If there's no water, we can't water the flowers.
Oh no, I don't like it. What should I do?
Turn off the tap, so easy to do. Let's do it, you and me. It's a good little habit for the earth. Come on, let's save water for the earth. We can do it.
Come on, let's save water for the earth. We can do it.
Come on, let's save water
for our precious planet Earth. Yay! Let's save paper. Oh, swish, swish, don't waste it. Use a cloth instead. We can use toilet paper only once. It's a waste to use it only once. Save paper, so easy to do. Let's do it, you and me. It's a good little habit for the earth. Come on, let's save paper for the earth. We can do it. Yay! Come on, let's save paper for the earth. We can do it. Come on, let's save paper for our precious planet Earth.
Let's recycle. Oh, just don't waste them. We need to sort the trash. Boxes, plastic bottles. We can recycle them all.
I got it. I'll recycle.
Sort the trash, so easy to do. Let's do it, you and me. We can make a new toy from recyclable things.
Come on, let's recycle
for the earth. We can do it.
Come on, let's recycle for the earth. We can do it. Come on, let's recycle for our precious planet Earth. Meow.
Water and electricity make our lives so comfortable.
Let's go out.
Yay!
Oh, wait. What should we do before leaving?
Aha! The TV! Beep! The air conditioner! Beep! And the fan! Beep!
Remember to save electricity and water. Don't waste them.
Don't forget to turn off the light too!